Hello guys, this is Tom. I'm from ORIEMAC Machinery. We are a one-stop construction machinery supplier in Shanghai. We are now on the way to our warehouse to check our machines. Hello guys, we arrived at the Shanghai Port now. In front of me, this is our SANY wheel loader. Let me introduce this loader to you briefly. Three cubic meters bucket size. This loader has a very powerful engine, Dongfeng Cummins brand, 220 horsepower and 6 cylinders. Next, let's see how the cabin looks like. Very fashionable design. It uses the SANY brand transmission and the double joystick control. It has an air conditioning. SANY factory is famous in China and in the world. If you need SANY machines, welcome to contact me. Thank you. See you next time.